And this is how everything started with his beauty. That's right. This way all began.
So, I really don't know how would someone get to the stage of doing this to a car. I mean, they should have paid me to have bought this car. What's going on here? I mean, literally. What happened here? Nice. Beautiful. I mean, what happened here? And worse. Is he wireless? I believe he's wireless. Amazing. Look at this. Look at this. Houston, we have a problem. Oh, doors are working. Let's find out. What else is not working here? Original mini seats. Nice. Kinda. I mean, I understand they get ripped, but when did you realize that there was material deteriorating and splitting? What's this? Radiotherapy. At least I know the car was driving not a long time ago. Which is good. Good. Let's find out what's here. Woo! We don't need that. Let's save the battery. We'll find out that is, but I'm pretty sure that is, but oh, this is not good. Well, it could just be the battery. There we go. Whatever the... Ooh, just seen that. Oh, wow. What's going on here? What happened here? No, this is something new. Maybe it's the mini specs. Maybe it is. Oh, look. Let me try to... some friction. Nice blanket. Okay. Now... Well, the doors are working. Let me see if it works this way. Don't think it's gonna work because the door ain't closing. Door is not closing. Won't work. Okay. Doesn't look closed. I swear it did close from the outside once. No. Let's see. See if I do this and push it. Look at that. It's closed. Fixed. No, it's not fixed. Okay, this. There's another one. Let me nice. I'm sure it wasn't on the report, but oh my god, how small was this person? I'm only 5'7". Okay, let's not. Close the door. What's gonna happen here? So there's something disconnected on that side. That's not good. That means, yeah. I need to find out what it is. Yeah. Oh well. Let's do it.
And this
Nice.
was the moment I knew I fell in love with the car.
Now this, it's really bad.
And from now on, we were to build a connection.
Look at it. Yeah, it was a massive impact there. Maybe another one there. Maybe the bird.
And I wasn't huffing and puffing because I couldn't fix it, but because I have to fix it.
There is something here, but what if I told you we're gonna fix this for free? Talking about the bumper.
And yes, that was a vision that became a reality. And thanks to all of you watching it and subscribing and commenting, that keeps me ongoing to make more and more, and more will come soon. And let's be ready for the next stage. I'm ready. I hope you will be too. I know this was just a short video, but behind the scenes I'm creating more content for you guys. And I do apologize that I've been a little bit under the weather for the past couple of weeks, and that's why I'm not able to post as frequent as I usually do. But I'm back on top form now, and yes, I'm back. So
For free.
let's get ready.
Okay, let's try.
And once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next video. Take care.